Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, which should be in the left lower corner, and now we have to scroll down in this left section to find System and Updates. Just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got the third section, which is connected with the date and time and the language also, but let's focus on the date and time. Just tap on it. And as you can see, right now we've got some options which are connected with the date and time, but basically we cannot set anything. It is because we are using automatic date and time, which are, I believe, location based. So first of all we have to turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see right now the date, time and the time zone are active, so basically we can change them manually. Before we will do it, here just a quick disclaimer, we've got the clock format option. Currently we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher here. Alright, so in order to change the date we have to simply of course tap on it, and here just by swiping we can change the date we want to the one we want to use. So for example this one, confirm it with OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Of course the same situation with the time, so we can just swipe and find the time, tap on OK. And the same situation, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, and as you can see here we will be able to find and set the proper time zone. So let me pick for example this one, and as you can see it has been also immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Alright, so basically this is the whole customization of date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping only on this switcher here. So basically, and as you can see, you will also have to manually change the time zone because it does not change automatically. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.